hold on to your financial hats. Today, we're diving deep into the money mysteries that banks don't want you to unravel. Imagine your money as a character in a thrilling drama, losing value every year, battling invisible foes, and dancing through the intricate world of card transactions. It's a financial roller coaster and you're in for a wild ride. Before you swipe that card or blindly trust your bank, buckle up for some eye-opening truths that'll make you question the cozy relationship between you and your money. Hey, before we dive into today's content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. 1. You're losing money every year. Welcome to the financial theater where your money stars as the lead in a dramatic play called The Inflation Saga. Picture your hard-earned dollars as characters in a storyline where, unfortunately, they don't emerge as victorious heroes. Instead, they're the drama queens, losing value every year. Contrary to the comforting notion that your money is safe and sound in the bank, the reality is harsher than a cold shower. It's not on a spa day. It's on a diet. A value diet, that is. The culprit? Inflation. As time passes, the prices of goods and services increase, rendering your money less powerful. Think of it like last summer's tan. It seemed vibrant and long-lasting at first, but eventually, it faded away. In this financial narrative, your money is not enjoying a cocktail on a beach. It's battling the relentless forces of economic changes. As you deposit your funds into the bank, they're slowly evaporating, losing their purchasing power. So next time you imagine your money in the bank, envision it as the protagonist in a tragic play. One that's losing the battle against the villainous inflation. 2. Banks earn from your card transactions. Enter the world of plastic rectangles, your trusty credit and debit cards. They're not just innocent pieces of plastic. They're the unsung heroes of a financial thriller where every swipe creates a symphony of silent cha-chings for the banks. Behind the scenes of your shopping spree, banks are orchestrating a financial masterpiece. With every transaction, processing fees are their backstage pass to profit. You, the card holder, might not hear the cha-ching, but rest assured, the bank is silently high-fiving itself and possibly planning its next yacht purchase. Your plastic companions are not just tools for convenient purchases. They are revenue generators for the banks. So next time you swipe that card, remember that you're not just buying goods. You're contributing to the bank's financial symphony. 3. Your money in the bank is not physical. Picture this. The panic-stricken crowd rushing to the bank, demanding their cash. Now, freeze that chaotic moment and unveil the truth. Your money isn't doing the cha-cha in the bank's vault. It's out there in the world, making bank babies. Thanks to the mysterious concept of fractional reserve banking, your money is not idly lounging in the vault. Instead, it's on a vacation, engaging in a side hustle of lending itself out. While this might sound like your money is living its best life, it's not for your benefit. It's out there, making more money for the bank. But fear not, your money's escapades are not without a safety net. It's insured, and the government stands ready to intervene if things go awry. So while your money is out there working hard, it's not entirely out of your control. 4. Bankers are not your friends. The cold truth behind the friendly smiles. In the financial chess game, bankers are not your allies. They're opponents aiming for checkmate. Behind those birthday cards and friendly chats lies a strategic move to get you entangled in loans you never knew existed. That banker who knows your favorite pizza topping isn't your BFF. They're a player in a well-scripted drama where genuine emotions take a backseat to financial gains. The smiles and camaraderie are a facade, concealing the ultimate goal, meeting targets set by higher-ups. Your financial well-being might be a secondary concern to them. Meeting quotas is paramount. So the next time a banker extends a friendly hand, be cautious. What seems like genuine care might be a well-executed move in their financial playbook. 5. Foreign transaction fees. Picture yourself on a tropical beach, sipping mojitos and enjoying the post-holiday bliss. Now, fast forward to reality. Your bank statement arrives and it's like a splash of cold water. Welcome to the realm of foreign transaction fees. The ninja fees that stealthily accumulate while you're living your best life abroad. As you cross borders and make purchases with your trusty credit or debit card, your bank is playing the role of a financial toll booth. While they won't proudly advertise it, rest assured, they are quietly collecting tolls on your global spending adventures. These fees might seem like hidden villains, but some credit card programs offer coverage in certain foreign countries. If you're part of such a program, you can escape the clutches of these fees. However, not all travelers are privy to this information, and many end up unwittingly contributing to their bank's overseas treasure chest. 6. Always check your accounts. Your bank account is more than just a digital ledger. It's a dynamic entity that demands your attention. Consider it a living, breathing organism within the vast ecosystem of personal finance. Just as you wouldn't neglect your physical health, your financial well-being deserves the same level of care. In this financial narrative, you play the role of the vigilant doctor, conducting regular checkups to ensure the vitality of your financial health. Hidden within that seemingly mundane transactions and balance updates, a jungle of potential threats lies in wait. These are the hidden charges, the financial parasites, ready to pounce on your hard-earned cash when you least expect it. It's a lurking danger that can silently erode your wealth, leaving you in financial jeopardy. Picture yourself as a modern-day Sherlock Holmes, armed not with a magnifying glass but with your bank statements. Adopt a meticulous approach, scrutinize every line, decode each entry, and unveil the mysteries that might be concealed within the financial depths. The seemingly innocent transactions could be camouflage for unauthorized fees or irregularities that, if left unchecked, could grow into significant financial predicaments. In this realm of personal finance, ignorance is not bliss. It's a perilous journey into the unknown. Regularly checking your accounts is not merely a suggestion, but a necessity, a proactive measure that can save you from unforeseen financial pitfalls. It's about more than just balancing the books. It's about safeguarding your financial fortress. By consistently and conscientiously monitoring your accounts, you don't just protect your money. You assert your rights as a vigilant account holder. You send a clear message to the financial ecosystem. You are not a passive participant. You are an active steward of your financial destiny. 7. You're being watched. Welcome to the grand finale of our financial thriller, the revelation that you're being watched. Banks aren't just financial institutions. They're the secret agents of your financial life, reporting any suspicious activity to the ever-watchful IRS. Every significant transaction is a spotlight on your financial stage, and Uncle Sam is sitting in the audience, taking notes. The IRS, armed with a duty to combat shady financial dealings like money laundering, closely monitors any deposit or withdrawal exceeding $10,000. Your financial actions are under constant surveillance, not just for your sake, but to ensure the financial integrity of the system. So, whether you're making a major purchase or just handling your day-to-day expenses, remember, Big Brother is watching, and in this case, it's Uncle Sam. There you have it, financial explorers. The secrets are out and your financial journey just got a whole lot wiser. If you've enjoyed this roller coaster of revelations, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share it with your fellow money adventurers. Remember, the more you know, the stronger you become in the ever-changing landscape of personal finance. Until next time, may your wallets be full, your financial decisions be wise, and happy navigating through the financial jungle.